So first and foremost, you do not need any money to start this business. Many people always thinking that you need a lot of money to start a business, but this is one of the most profitable businesses that you can start with almost no money. So there are various things that I'm going to be speaking about social media marketing. And of course, I know there are types of different types of social media marketing agencies that you can start. You can start a YouTube marketing agency, Instagram, Facebook, and so forth and so forth. But today, I want just to focus on Facebook marketing agency because that's where the whole click is. In Facebook, we have almost close to 2 billion viewers every month. So that is a very good area to start your social media marketing agency from. So when you understand how to work Facebook ads on Facebook, you can be able to get some clients and do the same for them. So how are you going to do it? So first you find local businesses that are dealing with different aspects of life, and you can be able to speak to them and tell them how you want to do marketing for them. Definitely, we know that all businesses need new customers. They need new customers left, right, and center. And most of them are struggling to find clients. They don't know exactly how to gamble about it and to get more clients. And even if they have many clients, they still want more because money is never enough. So the way you're going to help them and the way you're going to give them your experience is through helping them in social media marketing. Nobody's going to refuse on this. So we have restaurants, we have lawyers, we have dentists, general shops, and so forth and so forth. So you can be asking me, how much are you going to be charging for this? Now, when you start charging, because of course the charging part will not be the first thing, you can just general, you can charge from about 10,000 Kenya shillings to 100,000 Kenya shillings a month, or even much more, limitless. It depends with how much of an expert you are, but at least from 10,000 upwards you can be able to charge. So you may be asking in your mind, how am I going to get this client? Because it's not as easy getting a social media marketing client, someone that wants you to market their company. So the way that you're going to win this client is first by helping them in their work for free, marketing for them for free. Yes, it may sound absurd, but free is the only way that you're going to get someone to trust you and to give you their time and to give you their company to be able to market for them. So this, doing it for free, will give you a testimonial from them, and a testimonial that you will use to even hook other clients by saying, hey, I've worked for so and so, I've worked for this and this kind of person, so you can hire me. I am better and I know what I'm doing. And as well, you'll be gaining experience. Experience is the best teacher. As you work on this client, you'll be much more keen, definitely, because you're working for someone, and that experience that you're going to get will even help you as you're doing other businesses for other people. When I talk about businesses, of course, marketing for other people. And when you talk to them and tell them you're going to do them for them free, this is what you explain. You're going to tell them that, hey, my name is Keith Muoki. I'm a social media marketer or an upcoming social media marketer, and I want to market for you your products or your company or whatever thing, service you're selling for free. Don't pay me. The only thing that you're going to pay is just for the ad charges, because of course that one they have to pay for themselves. And nobody who is sane, who wants to grow his business, is going to say no to that offer because they have nothing to lose. They have nothing to lose. You're doing it for free. And once you start doing, as long as you understand a few basics of social media marketing, that is Facebook marketing, you understand about custom audiences, lookalike audiences, how to install a pixel, how to retarget that pixel, traffic, and so forth, it's going to be much more easier for you to even convince someone and be able to do a little bit something which is a little bit better than the way they could have done it by themselves. You just need a little bit of extra knowledge, that's the word to use, so that you can be able to do. So as you grow with your experience, you can be charging more, all right? Then the other way that you can be able to get new clients for social media is working on referral. Now remember, we have had guys who we work for them for free. These are guys just in our neighborhoods, the doctors, the lawyers, people who supply you this and that, people, the milk guy, all those kind of people. They need customers. They need customers. So once you talk to them, because you are already someone in their community, you already interact with them day in, day out, they are most likely to give you that opportunity to work for them. And once they are in, now you can come to the other part whereby you can get new clients through referrals. When I talk about referrals, this is exactly what I'm meaning. You can give them an offer. Any new client that you bring to me, I'm going to give you 20% off on your next bill. I'm going to give you a certain advantage over the other clients. Every client that they bring in now, they are going to work as much as they can to give you referrals because they need some money to be cut off from their next bill. That is a very nice way that they can give you so many clients. One person will bring you another one, another one, another one, and at the end of the day, you'll be having 10, 15, 20, depending, as many as you want. And of course, as the days grows in, you are getting more experience, you're working with more clients, so your money is expanding, your experience is expanding. So what you're going to do now, you'll be charging even much more, or else you'll be charging much more on your time, or you can even hire other guys and train them so that they can even work for you in your smaller areas as you work on the bigger client. Point number 4, download Facebook Pixel Helper on Google Chrome. When I talk about Facebook Pixel Helper, this is a small application that you download so that you can be able to go to, when you click whichever business on Google which is in your neighborhood, and you have downloaded that Pixel Helper for Facebook, you can, with that Pixel Helper, you can be able to see which companies have the Facebook Pixel. Now, Facebook Pixel basically means these clients know how to retarget clients. They are ready to retarget clients who usually visit their Facebook, who usually visit their website using the Facebook Pixel Helper. So if they have it, you can keep them out. But if they don't have that Pixel Helper, Pixel, definitely those are potential clients. What am I talking about? You just go on Google, click on any of your lawyers or doctors or dentists or whoever in your community. In their website, you will see if they have a Facebook Pixel Helper on the same. If they have it, definitely you know these people know a little bit of social media marketing, so you can kick them out. If they don't, you can call them, you can go and call them, you can send them an email, and you can discuss with them and tell them, hey, I can do some marketing for you, ABCD, and the story goes on and on and on and on. So that's another really, really important way of how you can be able to get new clients. And the other way that you can get new clients is through the BNI, that is the Business Network International. Now, Business Network International is just a community of entrepreneurs, community of business owners who gather each and every time in different places so that they can discuss and network and bring up their ideas in whatever they're doing so that they can grow even their community much more. So you can just go to BNI Nairobi, BNI Mombasa, BNI Tanzania, BNI Kampala, BNI New York, wherever you are or wherever place that you want to network. You can just type in that on Google and you will see the next meetings which are being held on the BNI, so that you can go there and introduce yourself and speak about yourself and speak about your job and what you do and get more clients and get people through that networking period. And I'm sure it's going to be much more better for you. You will get new clients who can be able to become even more who are going even to refer other friends and refer their business associates and so forth. And the final thing is go to Facebook and directly find clients. directly find clients on Facebook. That is on Facebook. You can just go and send messages to guys who have different companies, and you're seeing for sure they're struggling with the advertisement. There are guys who are selling shoes, they're selling clothes, they're selling this, they're selling cameras. There are so many businesses on Facebook which are going on. Just go there directly and speak to them, send them a message. If they have a phone call, just contact them and see what you can be able to do so that you get those clients to become your social media marketing clients. All right, so there's so many ways that you can be able to do. And just imagine if you have 10 people who are paying you 10,000 Kenya shillings a month as a beginner. That means it's 100,000 Kenya shillings. And all that, you don't need any capital to start. They cover their expenses. They cover their main expenses, the advertisement charges. So this amount, 10,000, is just your retainer, which becomes a very huge profit for you. Hope you have understood something. And kindly, if you have not subscribed to this channel, just subscribe and hit that notification button, because we are about to become bigger and better. And I'm sure you will learn much more, which can be of great help to you and to your associates and to your friends. Thank you very much, and God bless you, and have a great day.